Time to go for a test drive to see if the transmission works right. See if we're happy or disappointed. Shut that down. Walk around, get in. This thing's a tank. It really fits in here. It starts up. It should. Had it run yesterday. No cold-blooded. Successfully managed to make it out of the shop. Now I'm going to have to go out on the road. That's not good. Damn it, I was going to throw my extra gas in too. Well, that sucks. I probably will see a cop because the neighbor's probably turning in. He told me there was plenty of gas in it. Well, there probably ain't. Well, I have a plugged up filter. Pretty nasty and dirty. It ain't leaking nothing. That could be the problem, might be plugged up. Hopefully the carb don't flood over. I do have another filter there. I don't know if I got any tools. But I don't know what he's got for gas in it. Might need a little bit better octane. His idling will hide. Another problem is having is this the brake booster. This is a new one, I guess, but said the one on it didn't work. I had it running. I heard it sucking air. The original one didn't have that seal in it to seal it up. So I just took the one out here and put it in it, and the brakes even worked fine. So I guess if it ever does go bad, at least he's got another one to put on it. But it seems fine. Everything seems to be working alright. Check train fluid level. That should do it for now. Stop raining for a little bit. Seems alright. Thought maybe you didn't get stranded there, but I think it's just that filter. A few more things to do to it. You get the gas gauge to work. You need to get the right sway bar. I'll probably call them here. Tell them. Put this light back in so you can see something. And what else? Need to check the transmission fluid level again, do the exhaust, fix that floorboard, and we'll be getting about done. Still need a clamp for those. 2 clamps actually. Yeah, there's some nasty stuff in there. Anyways, at least the transmission's working. Stay up. That's a good thing, getting further.